Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. It's May and it's already been 5 mermaids, so in this video I'll show you how I paint 3 paintings for Mermay challenge. Let me show you how I was painting it. The theme of the third drawing for Mermay was hair, so I decided to paint a mermaid who has her hair tangled and she's trying to bring back her hair to her normal, beautiful state. I painted this in Photoshop. I wanted to add this golden light of the sun. I don't know what time of day this is, but everything looks golden and beautiful warm light. And you can see a mermaid who is annoyed with her long hair. I think everyone who has long hair relates to this problem with long hair, that it's tangled all the time. Since mermaids live under water, they probably have this problem with hair is much worse than for us humans. Their hair is always wet, so this was the theme of this drawing. The theme of the second drawing is Axololt. This small creature. I made a simple sketch about mermaid who's friends with Axololt. I'm sorry for mispronouncing it. I painted this in Procreate. This was quick drawing and I surprised that it turned out well. As you can see, this is probably a teen mermaid girl and she is friends with this small creature who is also a baby, so they spend time together, and I don't know their story, but that's what I came up with. And the third drawing, I just finished painting it this night. It's day 5 of Mermay and the theme was drama. When I saw the prompt, I immediately thought about classical symbol of theater. I'm talking about a drama and comedy masks. So I painted this ancient theater with 2 mermaids who is probably an actress. So yeah, and I also painted this in Procreate. I wanted to have this bright rim light and I think I was able to achieve that. So that's it. That's my 3 drawings. I was thinking that probably that's too many drawings for one video, but then I thought I have so many days and so many mermaids to paint, so I thought that I put all of these 3 drawings in one video. So I paint every day. Sometimes I paint for a few drawings in a day, and I enjoy painting it very much, probably because I love the topic very much. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you know that since my early childhood, when I was a kid, I really liked mermaids. I liked the Little Mermaid cartoon. I had my favorite chocolate candy called Mermaid. So I was obsessed with mermaids, and probably even though I grew up, I still love this topic, and this is why I enjoyed painting it very much, and I'll keep painting mermaids for Mermay Challenge 2025. As you can see, I still have this mermaid jewelry. I'm gonna wear it in every single video about mermaids because this is perfect for this topic. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.